Do you need to know how to clean your Xbox One? You may want to if you see dust and dirt buildup, or to keep it cool and prevent overheating. Regular cleanings can help lengthen the lifespan of your console. Here's how to do it. You'll need a can of compressed air, a soft bristled brush like a toothbrush, paintbrush, or a dusting brush. Don't use a wire brush. You'll also need a microfiber cloth and a vacuum with a handheld attachment or hose. Start by removing the power cable from the back of your console. Now let's give it a good wipe down with a microfiber cloth. Use your brush to remove or loosen the dust in and around the ports, disk reader, and vents. Now use some compressed air to blow dust off the vents, disk reader, and all the ports. Hold the vacuum up near the console to help the blown dust come out. Follow these steps once a month to keep your Xbox in good shape, but leave opening and disassembling your console to a professional. It's easy to damage your Xbox and void your warranty. For professional help fixing your tech, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.